If you want to your vocabulary, do this event day. Read English history or books, write down new the words. You find out land a memories. Use them in your sentence. Speaking then let out try to in the daily conversation. Watch English video. Listen to negative speaker different words. Don't try many people's memories to work and many people can't. Practice regularly and your vocabulary will grow step by step. This is follow me method. We'll get our result up by give.